My name's James. I take pictures. This is Ebony, and she chases things. And today, we're going to show you how to use your mobile phone to capture great images of your fast-moving pets. Let's go! You know, I love taking pictures of the outside world on my mobile phone. But if I want a little bit more security out there, I love to employ my Pictar. It's got a really sturdy grip and a handy wrist strap to give me that little bit extra insurance. 5 external buttons that make it feel like a real camera and give me full control, and a fantastic app. Okay, so we're looking to pick our location, and what we've got here is a lovely stream running through with patterned sand on the front and these rocks in the foreground. What we're going to get Camille, Ebony's owner, to do is to throw the ball from one end and capture the action using a really fast shutter speed on shutter priority. Let's give it a go. Let's go for it. 3, 2, 1, go. So the challenge of photographing pets is they can be quite unpredictable, and I need to expect the unexpected. That's when my Pictar grip comes in really handy. It's completely sturdy and allows me free range of movement to shoot whatever I want. I can set the app to shutter priority, which allows me the option to either choose a fast or a slow shutter speed. Today I'm going to choose a fast one because I want to freeze the action and make the image as sharp as possible. And to have the option to use the filters in the app to be a bit more creative. Today I'm going to use white balance, so I have the option to either make the image warmer or colder, depending on how I feel. Let's go! So I knew I bought shorts for a reason, because I've been getting in the sea. I can pre-focus on our subject, or if I'm caught spontaneously, I can just override it and capture the great image of our pets. Okay, you ready? Straight into there for me, let's go. And then you're just sort of walking through behind. Big smile, don't look worried that it's going to hit me, that's it. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Let's go again, one more time. Go. And throw it that way over there. Go. So in short, to capture great images of your pets in the outside world, you want to be using a fast shutter speed to freeze the action. You want to make the most of a one-handed grip, especially if you're in your sea, because you don't want to be dropping your mobile. And you want to get creative with your filters to give your images something dynamic and something different. There's no excuse not to get outside and enjoy it.